We've got a pretty big snow getting ready to hit here in the foothills of North Carolina.
30s, but then the snow, it will start as all snow, by the way, coming up the middle of the afternoon. So 2, 3 o'clock Friday afternoon. Stays mostly snow as we go through the afternoon hours, but it will be our first snow in 3 years. So
now everybody around here is getting excited. We're trying to get our chickens and everything ready. It's going to be the first significant snow that we have had in probably a year or two. We live in the foothills of North Carolina, beautiful scenery, so we are right next to the mountains, and we did not get any snow last year. So today we're going to get our chickens ready, as you see in the background, for the snow.
And I think it's the greenery.
The green grass. All right, let's try to lure them in to their coop. Come on, Buzz. Come on, chick, chick, chick. Here we go. Oh yeah, it's the good stuff. Come and get it. Come on. Come here. Buzz, this way, buddy. Hey, no, this way. Come back. Go that way. Go that way. No. All right, that didn't work. Go get him. So we just set up our Energizer. It's a 3-joule Energizer. We got that from Rural King. We got it pretty strong because we're not quite sure the predator pressure that could be out there. So far, all we've seen is deer come through. And you guys can see, this is just cattle panel fencing. And we took some old vinyl banners that came off of a billboard. Company was giving them away, and we put the T-post down. We did a video very similar to this a couple years ago, or maybe even last year, to where we used the cattle panel fence, made the arch, and it worked really well. This time we're just adding the hay bales. That's just more of a wind block. So that's just to help take the wind blowing through the chickshaw, because it is open on the bottom, just so that the poop can fall through and help fertilize the grass. And we got our Stark line chicken netting all set up. This is actually the first time we move the chickens in the daytime. Most of the time we do it at night when they're up in their chickshaw roosting for the night. But we took a chance. We've still got about 2 that are being stubborn out there. And hopefully by nightfall, they'll make their way back to the chickshaw. And you can see Buzz behind me. He's doing a great job getting everybody settled in. If you haven't seen that video, 5 reasons why you should get a rooster, you need to check that out. But we've got them multiple waterers ready. We're gonna give them plenty of food. We'll probably cook them a warm meal with either pintos or oatmeal tomorrow during the snow. We'll come out and at least make sure that they have access to the water, because sometimes when it snows, they get a little nervous and they don't go out in it. So we'll clear off a path if we need to, but that should give them a little bit of shelter, and they can go under their chickshaw. So it's gonna be nice and a little cozy. Weather out the snowstorm we're gonna get here in the next 24 hours. All right, getting the chickens settled in for the night. Appreciate you guys tuning in as we get ready for a pretty significant snowstorm coming through the foothills of North Carolina. We'll keep you updated. We'll throw some shorts out there and let you know how the chickens are doing with their new setup. But chickens are ready for the snow. We're getting ready too. Got some ice melt, things like that. Making sure the house is all buttoned up and that all the water hoses are unhooked and drained out and ready to go. So fingers crossed, looking forward to some snow. Haven't seen any in a couple of years, significant accumulation. So we're pretty excited around here. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.